All right, step 10 is asking us to multiply the binomials back together and these two, and then multiply the result by this common factor that we factored out in step 2, which in this case there was one. Sometimes there isn't, but in this case there was one. So we're going to keep that -2 out there first. We'll distribute that through in a moment, but what are we going to get? Let's see what we get. We do first 6x squared outer -15x inner +14x and last -35. Of course, we can combine the like terms here and here. So we get -2 parentheses 6x squared minus x minus 35 equals 0. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to compare that with our original after we distribute this through. We need to distribute this to all three terms. Okay, so we say -2 times 6x squared is -12x squared. That times -2 times -x is +2x, and -2 times -35 is +70. This is what we're going to carry over into the next problem, next step to compare with what we were originally given.